Welcome to NV Residences at Pasir Ris. Today I'm at Block 93 and I'll be showing you a super spacious mid-floor 1453 4-bedder unit with a nice pool view. Let's head up now. Welcome inside. Come. Let's check out the spacious living and dining area. And let's look at the balcony and appreciate the pool view. At this mid-floor level, you'll notice that the pool is not a tiny speck of blue if you were on a much higher floor, and yet the distance to it also ensures that it's not too near to be noisy or have less privacy. In fact, the next block facing us is 80 meters away, so you will definitely not look opposite to another living room. And this concept of the luxury of space extends throughout this whole place as we tour the bedrooms, starting with the master bedroom and the ensuite bathroom, having a separate shower area and bathtub to soak in. We also can have a piano inside the junior master, so you definitely can reconfigure this space with queen or even king size bed, not forgetting the second ensuite bathroom. Check out the two common bedrooms which are suitable for children with their own built-in study spaces. The common toilet is very well maintained and also a good size, while there is sufficient kitchen cabinet space as well as counter space for meal preps. Not forgetting the yard area for laundry, the helper's toilet, as well as a storeroom or the helper's room. You'll be spoiled for choice as NV Residences has 5 swimming pools, including 2 lap pools and 3 children's pool, a jacuzzi pool, and it includes an aqua gym too. The site area is big enough so that NV has 2 tennis courts, a leisure walking track, and even an outdoor amphitheatre. Definitely something for everyone in the family. Within 400 meters is Elias Park Primary School, and Pasir Ris MRT is about 650 meters distance with White Sands Mall, while next door Pasir Ris 8 Mall will be ready in a few years' time. Fishing enthusiasts will like the Pasir Ris Town Park, while families with kids will enjoy the huge Pasir Ris Park. Want to see my pool view again? Or my spacious living area? Buzz me at Win King, Orange Tea and Thai, AAG to see my 4-bedroom unit at NV Residences.